Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Mailshake sequences to follow up with LinkedIn leads. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your Mailshake account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your campaigns. Select the campaign that you want to enable sequences for. Click on the Settings tab within that campaign. Look for the option labeled Sequences in the Settings menu. Turn on the Enable Sequences toggle. Once enabled, you will see fields to configure your follow-up messages. Start by setting the time intervals for your follow-up emails. Choose how many follow-ups you want to include in your sequence. Fill in the subject lines for each follow-up email. Craft the email body for each follow-up, ensuring they are personalized. Add placeholders for any recipient-specific information. Review and adjust the schedule of your follow-up emails based on your preferences. Once satisfied, save your changes. Return to your campaign overview to ensure sequences are activated. Now, you can start adding your LinkedIn leads to the campaign. Import your leads using either a CSV file or direct integration. After importing, assign them to the campaign where sequences are enabled. Monitor the performance of your emails through the Analytics dashboard. Adjust your follow-up messages and timing as needed based on responses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.